So, okay. I was asking about your first two assignments. So, have you people submit the first two assignments whose deadline was 10th of August, I think. So, have you people submit?
Yes, ma'am, submitted.
Okay, so how you have to submit? You have to solve it manually and you have to share somewhere. It is like how you people are submitting. Can someone tell how you people are submitting the assignment?
Online submitted, madam.
Okay, fine. Okay. So, okay, I will share my screen. So today we will solve like assignment number three. 1 minute. Is my screen visible? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so my screen is visible, right? My screen is visible. Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So let's start with this third assignment. This third assignment, your deadline to submit this assignment is 17th of August. So nine questions are there. So one by one, we will start doing these questions. So first question is, So the first question is like a dash fold screw axis causes a rotation and translation. So someone tell what is screw axis? Does someone know what is screw axis? I'm sure you people.
It's the combination of translational and rotational symmetry.
Yeah. So in a screw axis is like in a simple like axis of rotation, what we are doing is we are just rotating one moiety along one axis. But in screw axis is like we are you people know like screw. So in screw we are doing what we are rotating and then there is some linear motion in that screw axis. So in screw axis there is rotational plus translational symmetry. So, which screw axis causes a rotation and translation? Can someone give the answer? Which fold screw axis causes a rotation and translation? Hello? Shall I take someone name
Four
because
fold.
you people are listening the lectures, so you should know about this question.
Four fold, madam.
Hmm?
Four,
Four.
four, ma'am.
Fourfold. Actually, according to me, I am telling like according to me, every screw axis involving rotation and translation. But I don't know what about this question, what they want in this answer. Here they have mentioned a dash fold screw axis. If you people will see in two-fold screw axis, with what we will do in two-fold screw axis also we will rotate by 180 degree and then there will be translation. In four-fold screw axis also it will be like we will rotate it through 90 degree and then translational motion is there. So according to me, I don't know this question. I am not sure about this question. I am thinking like some mistake is there because You people are agreeing, right? Every screw axis will cause rotation and translation. It is not about two-fold, four-fold, six-fold. Every screw axis will cause rotation and translation. So I don't know why I have to specify like here it is two-fold, four-fold, or six-fold. But since I will check this question and I will let you know, like I am not like I'm not sure about this question. Are you people understanding what I am saying?
Yes, ma'am.
Like she said, she only replied like screw axis. What is screw axis? Screw axis itself is a combination of rotation and translations motion. So it is not about which fold, because if I am generalizing about the screw axis, like it can be either two fold, four fold, six fold. Any kind of screw axis will cause rotation and translation. So in this dash I don't know why I have to specify like it is two fold or four fold or six fold. So I will check this question and then we will again discuss this question. Okay. So now we will move to that second question. So, what a mirror plane? So, can someone describe about the mirror plane symmetry? It is easy only. Mirror plane. You people are daily watching you in mirrors, so you can tell like what is mirror plane.
Single point image is
Reflection,
formed.
ma'am.
What again?
No, it causes reflection only.
Yeah, so it causes a reflection only. So what is like if there is one what I will tell, like one sphere or one circle is there, and if I cut that circle from half, then half hemicircle is there, or sphere hemisphere is there and the other hemisphere is there, and both are mirror images of one another. So we will tell that these moieties are causing reflection only. So a mirror plane will cause reflection only. There is not any translational, not any rotation, and not any screw axis is present in mirror symmetry. So for the second is like it will cause reflection. Fourth option is correct only. Any doubt with this question? Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So, great. So, we will move to question number three. So, the question number three is like point group, about point group. So, this is point group 1 bar. So, in this, they are asking like the number of equivalent points in the point group 1 bar is. So, can someone tell like the point group 1 bar belonging to which crystal system? How much how many crystal systems are there in that we have
Seven crystal system.
seven
Simple.
crystal systems, right? So point group 1 bar belong to which crystal system? So what is the less symmetric crystal system? Less symmetric, or what we can say like no symmetry is present in crystal system.
Triclinic.
Yeah, triclinic. In triclinic, no symmetry is there, but C1 is present in each and every crystal system. If there is like, if there is a system, like crystal system or any object in which there is no symmetry is there, even then identity will always be there. You people know identity. What is identity? What is identity? Like symmetry. What is identity symmetry? What is C1? What is C1? In first lecture only I told you one formula. N is equal to 360 degree by theta. Or we can say theta is equal to 360 degree by n. So, uh, what is C1? In C1, what is the value of n? If I am saying,
One.
huh?
One.
Huh. So in C1, the value of n is 1. So if the formula is theta is equal to 360 degree by n, so what will be the value of theta?
360 degrees.
360 degree. Okay, so if we will rotate any body, either it is symmetric or it is asymmetric, If we will rotate any body by 360 degree, means whole rotation, then that body will again come to its like identical position only. So no matter either symmetry is there or no symmetry is there, either it is symmetric or asymmetric, c1 C1, or we can say that one, the C1 axis will always be there. Means identity. C1, we will tell C1 as identity symmetry. Identity. So in any symmetric or asymmetric point, any symmetric or asymmetric object, identity will always be there. So the most asymmetric crystal system is triclinic system, and here we are telling about one. So in all other systems, other symmetries are there, like two-fold, four-fold, six-fold, like other symmetries are there, but triclinic system is the only system which is fully asymmetric system. So here they are talking about one axis, so means they are talking about triclinic system. So this point group belongs to the triclinic system. Understand? Are you people understanding?
No, ma'am. Can explain again, please?
But I am telling is C1, like either any object is symmetric or asymmetric, identity will always be there. Identity means it is the rotation of 360 degree. If any asymmetric object is in your hand, if you will rotate it by 360 degree angle, it will again come to the its identical position only, same position only. So no matter it is symmetric or asymmetric, identity will always be there. So among all the crystal systems, triclinic system is the most asymmetric system, and here in this question they are asking about point group 1 bar. So this is the point group which belongs to the triclinic system, because in other crystal systems other symmetries are present, like two-fold, four-fold rotation axis. So here in this case, they are asking about the number of equivalent points present in the point group 1 bar. So how much equivalent points are present in 1 bar point group?
Two, ma'am.
2. How? Can you explain?
After completing the 360 degrees, it produces a 1 point, ma'am. And that 1 point undergoes the inversion and produces another point, ma'am.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
total 2.
yeah. Correct only. So she's telling correct only. The point group 1 bar is if we rotate it by 360 degree angle, if we are taking one point and if we are rotating that point by 360 degree, it will come to the same point again. And that point, if it undergoes inversion, then it will give the other point. So what will be the coordinates? Can you tell? If we are taking one point as x, y, z, so after inverted center, it will become x bar, y bar and z bar. So in the point group 1 bar, the number of equivalent points will be 2, and the coordinates of that points will be x, y, z and x bar, y bar and z bar. Understand? Can you please unmute yourself and tell, are you understanding?
Yeah, madam.
Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
Actually, if you will reply, then it will be helpful for me, because only if I am telling, I will not get you people are understanding or not. So please unmute yourself and tell like you're understanding or not. So okay, for this question, the number of equivalent points they are asking, so it will be 2 only. So moving to the fourth question. So in this question, they are talking about point group 2 by m. So 2 by m belongs to, so 2 by m belongs to the monoclinic crystal system. So in monoclinic crystal system, there is a point group 2 by m, and what is the number of equivalent points in the point group 2 by m?
4, ma'am.
4. How?
Two-fold rotation produces 2 points, ma'am. And there is an horizontal plane in the point group, so it produces another 2 points, so total 4, ma'am.
Yeah. Correct only. She's right. What is that point group 2 by M is in monoclinic crystal system we are considering B axis as a unique axis. So here if we are elaborating the point group 2 by M, so it is saying two like twofold axis is parallel to B, and after this M will be perpendicular to the B axis. So if I am considering one point as x, y and z, so I'm telling like, do you know how to calculate, how to, like if I am saying that some background sound is coming from this room. So if I am saying like I have one point as x, y and z, and if I will pass twofold axis parallel to B, so you people can tell like what are the coordinates of that new point. Can you tell? If I will be having one point as x, y and z, and from these I am passing two parallel to B, what will be the coordinates of the other point that will generate? I think you don't know. Okay, so I think you people don't know. I have not I have not heard the lectures. I don't know it is in your syllabus or not. So okay, we will talk about this only. So in the point group 2 by M, what it is like? So 2 is parallel to B and then M is perpendicular to B. So if there is one point, and in that point if we are passing a twofold axis which is parallel to B, it will generate one new point. And now we have 2 points, and if M is perpendicular to B, then these 2 points will reflect and give another 2 points, so the total will be 4 equivalent points. So the next two questions are very easy. These you people only tell the total number. The total number of space group in this system is in crystal system.
230.
230, ma'am.
230. So this statement is false only. So the total number of point group
32.
32, ma'am.
32. So anyone knows what is the difference between like point group and space group? So
Madam, point group is the atom we lattice point we consider by in its surrounding, and there are different combinations, and these combinations are 32.
in point group we are considering surrounding and there are various combinations. What you are
Total
telling?
combinations comes 32.
And space group?
This group, no, I don't.
It
Okay.
is the combination of translational symmetry and point groups, ma'am.
Okay. So in the like point group and the space group, the main difference is like in point group we are always talking about the stationary symmetries, because in point group we are not considering the translation motion. So you see, if we are considering about a mirror, so we have to pass a mirror and it will reflect. There is no translation motion in that. Rotation also, if I am passing any axis and it will rotate, there is no translation motion. But if you are considering space group, then there is point group plus translational motion will give as space group. Like if in axis I will like I will combine axis plus translation, only then it will give screw axis, which is involved in the space group. but not in the point group. So point group will always talk about the stationary things. No translational motion will be involved in the point groups. But whenever we are talking about space group, so translation motion will come in the space group. So space group is basically the combination of translational motion and point groups. Understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So the total number of point groups will be
32.
32, and number of space groups.
230.
Okay. Yeah. So the both the statements are false only. And the number of crystal system,
7, ma'am.
7. The number of Bravais lattices.
14, ma'am.
14.
Okay. Yeah, correct only. So the seventh question is, what is the total number of four-fold rotors in a cubic unit cell? So if we are considering a cubic unit cell, so how many four-fold axes are present in a cubic unit cell?
Three axis.
Hmm?
Three.
Yeah, 3. How?
Considering in each in x, considering each x axis, y axis, and z axis four units.
Hmm. Yeah.
If we consider
Uh-huh.
if we consider each in x axis, y axis, and z axis, then we have three four units in each of the axes.
Yeah, so in a cubic unit cell there are three fourfold axes. How, like in a cubic unit cell, how many faces are there?
Six.
Six
6
faces.
faces.
So from each two faces, one axis will go. So if two faces will be opposite to one another, and if I am pass two faces will be opposite to one another, and if I am passing fourfold axis from these two faces, so there are total six faces. So how many axis will come? Three, because six faces are there, and one fourfold axis will pass through two faces. Ah. So total will be three fourfold axes will be present in cubic unit cell. So this you people will tell the total number of equivalent points in the point group M. This is easy only.
Ma'am, two.
Yeah, two. But how?
I'm representing the mirror symmetry. So that will be two.
Can you tell again?
M is representing the mirror symmetry. So number one will be two.
M is representing the mirror symmetry. Yes. Yeah, so here M is representing the mirror symmetry. So if I am taking one point and it will reflect, then one another point will generate opposite to this point. So there will be two equivalent points. So this statement will be
False.
false. So yeah, actually this question I want that you people will solve, because 5 days are there to submit this assignment. But we will see. Then only you people will solve. We will just discuss. I will means we will. So does the motif of the following pattern possess any symmetry? So first of all, they have given one pattern here, and in this pattern, this is the repeating unit, or we can they are telling that one motif is there. So this is the motif of this like smallest unit of this full pattern. So first they are asking like, is any symmetry is present in this motif?
Yes, ma'am.
So how you can tell like symmetry is present in this motif?
By rotation, madam, it will give same picture.
By which angle of rotation?
By vertical or horizontal, it will give same picture, madam.
Vertical
Around
or
vertical axis or horizontal axis.
yeah, this is true only, but you have to tell like which fold axis.
No, madam. Just by rotation, it is symmetrical.
Okay, by seeing you are telling, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, this is true only. Like by seeing also we can tell, but since we are science students, so we should be more specific, like which fold rotation axis is present. So, like you
Four
people,
fold.
huh?
Fourfold axis of symmetry.
Fourfold axis. How it will be fourfold? You people can see. You see, like here, if we will see this motif here and here. So I told you one formula. So theta is equal to 360 degree by n, or we can say that n is equal to 360 degree by theta. So if here you see, here if you see, if you rotate it by 90 degree, so if you rotate it by 90 degree, this point will come here, this will come here, this will come here, and this will come here. But if you rotate by like 120 degree, or like, then it will not come, because if you will rotate by 120 degree or 60 degree, then this point will come here in between of these 2 points. You people are understanding now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So what I am telling is, like if you people will rotate by 90 degree, then this point will come here, like this. It will move, like it will come here, this will move there, and this will come here, and this will come here. But if you will rotate by 60 degree or 120 degree, if we can say, first we will consider 60 degree. So 60 degree will come somewhere here. So if you will rotate by 60 degree, then this point will come here and this point will come here. So after rotating through 60 degree, it will not give you the identical picture from which you are starting, right? Right.
Yes.
Yes.
So okay, so means to getting the same image, we have to rotate it by 90 degree, right? So according to the formula, if I am telling n is equal to 360 degree by theta, so what is the value of theta here?
90 degrees.
90 degree, right? So if n is equal to 360 degree by theta or 360 degree by 90 degree, so what will be the value of n?
Four.
Yeah, so it is sure that C4 axis is present here. So this is a, like we can say that C4 axis is present here. So this is a, like we can say, this is a point to remember. If a motif or any object has C4 symmetry, then it is for sure that C2 symmetry will always be present, right? You people can see, if you will rotate it by 180 degree, then this motif will come here and this will come here. So again it will give the identical picture.
Yes.
Right. So this is like a one point to remember. So if any object has C4 symmetry, like C4 symmetry is there, then it is for sure, then C2 symmetry will always be there. So if we will rotate it by 180 degree, then this motif will come here, this point will come here, and it will come here, and again it will give the identical picture. Okay. So if we will consider like n is equal to 360 degree by 120 degrees, so what will be the value of n?
30 degrees.
Three,
3, sorry.
three,
360 degree by
three.
180 degree, what?
Oh,
It is two.
2. So it will be like C4 and C2 will be present. But we will always give the point group name as higher fold axis. If C4 will also be present and C2 will always be also be present, then we will give the name of that point group by higher fold axis. So the name will start from 4. So according to the first question, does the motif of the following pattern possess any symmetry? So we can, from seeing only, we can see like yes, symmetry is there. So we can eliminate second, third and sixth option. So the option from first, fourth and fifth will come, and it will start from 4. So now you people will tell, or in next class we will see like you people only solve like which symmetry is present in this pattern. Okay. So who one was saying like by seeing only has you understood like how we have to see the
Yeah,
fold?
madam. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Okay, okay. So like that we have to see if symmetry is there or not. This motif has whichever symmetry is present in this motif, full full object is having that symmetry only. So you people just solve this question and tell like which symmetry is there. Where is that? Okay, so last question you people will solve. So now can we end the class, right?
Hello, madam.
Hello, hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Uh, Hello, madam. Would you please suggest a book on this crystallography?
Book. Here in your site they have mentioned book, but in book they are giving lecture notes, right? Hello?
Yeah, madam. Yeah.
So these are lecture notes only, no book,
Yeah.
no. Has professor suggested some book regarding this course?
They had suggested two books, ma'am, for this course.
Few books he has suggested, right? I will tell you the book which I was reading. Since I am not like I don't remember the name, I have. Okay, I will suggest you book means now I don't remember the name. I will tell you that books only that I was reading for this course. Okay. I was having some
Okay, madam.
notes also. Means if you people want, then I can share my notes also. But the books I will suggest you in next class because now I don't remember the name of that books. But I will tell you for sure.
Okay, okay, madam. No problem.
Hmm. Yeah. So can we end the class?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Bye bye. We will meet
Okay, ma'am.
in.
Thank you.
Yeah. Next Friday we will meet. Bye bye.